Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, due to some circumstances, I actually had to move my office to a different room, and I apologize in advance if you're gonna hear a lot of car or tricycle noises in the background, as this room is actually closer to the road. So yeah, I just received the replacement unit for the Fantech HG14 the other day, and of course I'm gonna use it, test it, and maybe make a review of it this coming Friday or next week. Yeah, most likely next week. And coincidentally, I've been using my Logitech Z313 speakers for about a week now, so that's what I'm gonna make a review of. So this is gonna be a relatively short review. So you can buy it here in the Philippines for 1600 to 1700 pesos, about $30 to $40 US. I was able to buy mine at Lazada for 1648. Packaging is really simple and unboxing it is pretty straightforward. You get the subwoofer and satellite speakers in plastic and a booklet which I didn't bother to read. Main reason why I bought this is because the soundbar I was using extensively is really bad for content creation and gaming, but good for movies. So yeah, build quality of the whole speaker system is really solid. The subwoofer is, I would assume, made of wood, and the satellite speakers being made out of plastic are really built well, crazy good for the price. I like the design, simple and compact. I would say the puck controller is the cheapest feeling part in the whole speaker system, and coincidentally a really important part, at least in my opinion. So it has a power button, volume wheel, and 3.5mm audio jack for your headphones, or if you're weird like me, you can use it as an extension for another set of speakers. Yes, curiosity wins. And another use for the puck is that you can place the satellite speakers as far away as you want. The cables are long enough for that. Pretty much everything connects to the subwoofer, and these are the measurements for the different cables. And finally, the main reason why you guys are watching this video at all, the sound quality. Regardless of the price, these speakers sound really good. Like maybe for an average user or even a gamer, these sound really good. And maybe for an audiophile, pretty good. The Z313 is a 2.1 speaker system with 50 watts of power output. The sound I would describe as really well tuned and well balanced, the highs, mids, lows. Like it lets you hear the sound as it's intended to be heard. No bullshit enhancements, just a really solid speaker system. In games, it offers the user good positional audio and all the things you may be looking for in a gaming grade speaker system. But I would definitely suggest good headphones for competitive gaming just for the sound isolation they offer. At max volume, it distorts only a bit and barely noticeable, but I would assume anyone who's gonna use this isn't gonna use it at max volume, as even at 60 to 70% volume is more than enough for almost anyone in any single bedroom. Here's a quick sound test just to give you guys an idea on how they sound like. So in conclusion, just buy this. No, seriously, just buy it if you're looking for a really solid speaker system regardless of the price. They're not the best, obviously. Highly recommended, would buy one again even if I have nothing to use it on. And yeah, if you guys want to buy this, I'll just leave the link in the description. Leave a like if you did, dislike if you feel like you have to. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. As always, bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link when buying at Lazada, and donate to my Patreon to support the channel. Also, follow me on Twitter for updates and announcements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Scotch bliss got me dreaming of our big girl.